Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Nike Dominate Outdoor Basketball. So let's go ahead and remove the wrapper. So we do that by, of course, opening up the wrapper and removing the Nike Dominate Outdoor Basketball from it. So you can see it is a rubber basketball that has yet to be inflated. And just to give you a close-up look at the details right now. So it does have a soft rubber texture to it. And this is a size 7 basketball. And just to give you some overall looks at it before we inflate it. So those are the dimensions or specifications for the basketball. And of course, some branding and some model details. Okay, so now, before I inflate this, let me show you the existing Nike Dominate basketball that I have. This is a 9-year-old basketball. So you can see the difference. It's been a very, very exceptional ball to use for outdoor courts. And it has lasted me 9 years. And you can see the condition. It still holds its shape very, very well. Very round. But it has developed a very slow leak. So I do have to pump it up very regularly just to keep it in shape. But in terms of grip and performance, it is a very grippy ball. And it does have that nice soft rubber texture. So this is a 9-year-old ball that we're talking about. So excellent bang for your buck and durability. And of course, performance as well in terms of grippiness and maintaining its shape. Okay, so nice good look at a 9-year-old Nike Outdoor Dominate basketball. Okay, so let's go ahead and, of course, pump this new one up. So what I do have is the Isaiah Dual Action Pump, which I've unboxed or unpacked previously in a much earlier video. So this pump does pump on the in as well as the outward stroke. And you can see just how compact the pump is. Very handy. And very, very portable. Nice small pump right there. Now let's go ahead and inflate the ball, of course. So it even does have a little section for you to put your details there for your ID to identify that you are the owner of this ball. Okay, so before we put the needle in, always make sure you moisten the needle. So let's go ahead and do that. And then insert the needle into the ball. And let's go ahead and pump away. So this might take a while. But you can see the ball taking shape. And of course, it's not the easiest thing to be using this Isaiah Dual Action ball pump with a camera and tripod in the way, but I'll do my best. I'm feeling a little bit more resistance now as the ball takes shape. Okay, so we're almost there in terms of reaching the desired pressure. And let's give it a few more pumps. Okay, and just a couple more. And just like that, we have now pumped fully up the Nike Dominate Outdoor Basketball. You can see it does have that nice round shape to it. And just to give you a close-up look this time around, with the ball being inflated, you can see the texture or nubs of the ball cover a little bit more clearly now. So the Nike Dominate Outdoor Basketball right there with the model details. And of course, the unmistakable Nike swoosh. So it is quite easily the best outdoor rubber ball I've ever used. It keeps its shape well, has excellent grip, and I'm not even a big person yet. I can just about grip the ball. Obviously this ball hasn't been worn out or worn in yet. With a bit of wearing in, I'll be able to grip the ball a little bit more easily. But as it is, you can see, it does have a nice shape and color to it. And once again, showing you that section where you can put your ID or contact details. So this ball doesn't get confused with someone else's. So just going to show you the overall details of the ball. I'm going to turn it around really slowly, and hopefully the camcorder is able to maintain focus on the ball. So this is a standard size 7 basketball that's meant to be used for outdoor. And there you have the soft touch rubber text right there to let you know that it is not one of those very hard cover type of basketball where it feels nearly plasticky, but this has a very comfortable and nice grip right there. You can see me palming the ball in my left hand just about. And once again, going to show you the comparison between this and my 9-year-old Dominate basketball. So the same exact ball, but of course with some updates with the ID details in the newer ball on the left. But you can see how the colors change, of course, over time as well, and where the black banding has pretty much faded away in the 9-year-old ball. So it's nice to see that 9-year-old difference between the new one and the much older 9-year-old ball. So right there you can see that difference once again in terms of color and of course some minor details But in terms of shape, like I said, the 9-year-old ball still maintains its perfect round shape. The only thing that's sadly failed or starting to fail is that it's leaking air now, and of course the grip has almost nearly faded away now. But otherwise it is still quite a very usable ball, apart from that very slow leak that it has developed. Hence we have that new ball on the left as its replacement. So right there, showing you both balls with that 9-year age difference. So that's the Nike Dominate Outdoor Rubber Basketball. So looking nice and fresh with the new one. I'm just trying to give you a nice clear side by side right there between the new and the much older example. Okay. So that's the Nike Dominate Outdoor Basketball. Thanks for watching and happy scoring!